In this video, I'll show you exactly how to allow and enable your location in Google Chrome on Windows. If this video helps you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Make sure you watch until the end, because there are two important settings you need to check. If you skip ahead, you might miss a step that's preventing location access from working properly. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three-dot menu, then select Settings. From the menu on the left, click Privacy and Security. Next, select Site Settings. Scroll down to the Permissions section and click Location. The first thing you need to check is the main location setting. Make sure it's set to Sites can ask for your location. If it's set to Don't allow sites to see your location, websites won't be able to request access to your location, so be sure to change it. You can also leave Collapse Unwanted Requests enabled if you prefer. That won't stop websites from asking for your location when needed. Now scroll down to the Customized Behaviors section. If you see a website listed under Not Allowed to See Your Location, that site has been blocked from accessing your location. To fix this, click the Remove button next to the website. The next time you visit that site, Chrome will ask whether you want to allow location access, and you can simply click Allow. If your location still isn't working after changing these Chrome settings, there's one more thing you need to check in Windows. Click the Start button and open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then click Location. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Also enable Let Apps Access Your Location. Finally, scroll down and make sure Let Desktop Apps Access Your Location is also turned on. Once all of these settings are enabled, Google Chrome should be able to access your location whenever a website requests permission. That's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.